Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. A totally messy craft table as usual. I've been mixing paint all morning. And today I'm going to try for something galaxy looking. And I'm using a mixture of paint from Myartscape, Phthalo green, Phthalo blue, and then I have the DecoArt metallics, and this is Peacock pearl and berry, and I am mixing in a little bit, just a smidge of the DecoArt Satin Enamel in each one, and my white is half the satin enamel, half of the Artist Loft white, and hopefully it will make the clouds and the cells and that type of thing, but we'll find out. So, shall we get to work? Yeah. And there you have it. Now, to be honest, it is, it's the way it should be, the cloud effect, but because of my really bad color choices, it's really, really ugly. The berry turned muddy purple. The green turned very muddy. The white and that up and through here and here, very nice. But yeah, take a quick look. This is not long for the world. But yeah, I like the effect we got. I got some of the little cells that I wanted very badly. But mostly it's a cloud effect. And that's not exactly what I'm looking for. So I am going to end up scraping this, and maybe tomorrow I will just, I'm going to go simple. I'm going to go just totally black and white. See what we get. Stay tuned. Look for a new. We can't get any worse. You gotta laugh. Live and learn. This is, yeah. And sorry for wasting your time, but at least you know now. Don't use purple and green, and yeah, it's really bad. Maybe somebody out there likes it. I'm sure. It's, yeah, no. But anyway, thanks for spending this, 5-10 minutes with me. I really, really appreciate it. And stay tuned for the close-up, because I will give you a close-up of just how beautiful this is. Yeah, boo. Anyway, I promise I'll do it again, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.